Yo, what's good, everybody? New ELO series coming out. Yeah, fuck it, let's go. It's like 8 a.m. or something, like really early or something like that. But, you know. No, it's like 10 a.m. I got on a little bit ago. I played like 1 or 2 matches. Bro, I've been playing a lot of bed fight, bro. Bed fight's fun. I don't know, I'm probably not clicking that fast, I'm not gonna lie. But I just got aim B, so I'm about to start aim training. It's gonna be cool. I don't know what I'm doing, let's talk about it. It's really early in the morning, bro. But I've been waking up early for the past few days. It's a good feeling. Hopefully I get something when this releases. I don't know, like money. I don't know much. Well, I have a fair bit, but like not as much as I want, you know? It's always never gonna be enough. Well, I need money for later, definitely though. If I get placements soon, I need more placements. That's what I need. Okay, I didn't. Thought I was gonna run out of speed. I've seen this person in chat a few times. Karon plays MC. It's like a 5-year-old name, like a name you would make when you're 5. It's kind of tough though. My FOV is at 75 right now. I decreased it from 85. That was just too much, bro. I was just trifling. But I need to like invest in a better mouse pad. Like, this is like way too small. It's like $15 on Walmart. So it's a Razer one. Oh my gosh. Got a corner player over here. Oh my god. Yeah, see, bro, like I need a better mouse pad. that was all the mouse pad, by the way. I'm not bad. I'm not a bad player. Bro, I like spam pearls this round. Oh, okay. I got pretty good. That's ELO Karon. This like, yeah, this is a no debuff player. This person. Oh, I took no caffeine today. I might just go this whole day without caffeine. I'm lying. I'm about to take one. Oh my god, this guy's playing like one of those people. Come on. Oh, he wants to do the soccer thing. That would be cool. Bro, this map is like one of my favorites because of the Nets. Like, MFC really needs more terrain. I knew I could eat that. Haha. Oh my god. Little Carter plug, bro. Alright. This guy did the bad play at the end. He was winning too. That's crazy. Bro, I've been draining. I've been playing on like what's the? Okay. I've been playing on AS practice for the earlier series. It's like damn. Yo, I haven't recorded one of these in like a week, bro. I wanted to hit 200 this month, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. It's almost over. December. Oh shoot. Bro, I gotta poop it. Oh, I wasted a pot, bro. Holy. The jumping demon, bro. Coming at you. The trampoline. That was a good pearl, but hold on. I might actually win this. You just taught me, bro. A pearl, bro. I'm not good at pearls, bro. I keep saying bro. What's up, bro? Oh, okay. Speed and then lock in. I'm gonna try to do the goofy pearl and see if it works against this guy, because he doesn't seem to be cheating. What the hell? Bro, jumping like really changes the game so much. That's crazy. I'm dead. GG. Oh, I had a lot of block hits too. I had more block hits than this guy. Man, that's crazy. I'm gonna record like, I don't know. Give this person again. I'm gonna change pack after this because I sparked in. Not doing it for me right now. Oh, why would the pearl look like that? That looked weird. Oh, his hit selected, bro. Okay, I didn't drop any. I thought I dropped one. My aim sucks. Oh, he's on me. Oh, speed. Let's try this pearl. It works. Always. Always. It's the Via pearl, bro. Oh my god. I might be cheating. We'll see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's cheating. The jumping stuff like really throws me off, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I know I've been talking about that forever, but I just got a 3-hit combo. I kind of want to know how much DPS I'm clicking, but it like ruins the HUD though. I've played like barely any no debuff for a while, so this is just a struggle right now. I'm playing bed fight though. I don't know if that counts as a. Oh, I messed it up. Bro, they put crack in Cheat Breaker. I get so much, well, not so much, a little bit more FPS on Cheat Breaker. Just doesn't have later versions, so I can't play survival on it. It's unfortunate. I love Rain Check by Blade. Oh, GG. We had the same hits. I just didn't miss a pot. Change pack. Oh, I was gonna say change pack, but I guess not. Keep it 1000 elo. Guy's either really good or really bad. We'll see. Judging by the name, probably good, but you never know. Okay, it's like an average player. Or waste another pot, bro. I keep spamming that one don't worry. Oh my god, let's still CS later. My friend wants to play CS. I don't like CS. It's a bad game. I don't like TAC FPS. I like moving. I like running and shooting. I don't want to stand still and camp corners. It's not fun. They're gonna say, "Oh, see ya." I didn't like Valorant either. I just played it because my friends were playing it. That's like half of the games I play. Most times I'm on the fruit or this. Oh, he wants me against the wall, bro. Panara. Messed it up. Oh, that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. Yeah, I want to learn Rip Squad beats for real. Rip Squad's fun. I'm positive now. How long has it been? 15 minutes. We'll do one more and then I'll end it. I'll record one later. I queued this person earlier before recording. Okay, I'm not. W sticky man. Okay. Oh my gosh. Speed jet. Alright. Valid. I did the same thing. Okay. GG's. I've warmed up. Alright. See y'all later.